The following recordings were recorded between the 29th of the 3rd to the 3rd of the 4th, 2026, in my latest research location in the Blue Mountains. Now, I'm not going to say what I think any of these recordings sound like. I want you guys to listen to them and then put some comments below, because I'd like to see what people think these recordings may be. Some of them could be from native fauna that's moving around or flying around and making noises like the big black cockatoos. There are a lot of them in the area, and the noises do get distorted once they go through and around trees and through bush, and it sounds completely different to what it was when it come out of the cockatoo's mouth. So anyway, I'm going to play the recordings now, and all I've done is I've made these recordings 400% louder. I haven't done anything else to them, just so they're much easier to listen to. And please use headphones for best results, and I hope you enjoy this video.